Kael Vibius serves as Watch Captain of the Death Watch within the Jericho Reach. Hailing from the Marines Errant chapter of the Adeptus Astartes, Vibius is driven with an unquenchable thirst for vengeance. During his birth chapter's skirmish with the Drukhari during the Corinth Crusade, a squad of the Marines Errant would be captured and taken to the accursed realm of Camorra. As one of the captured Astartes, Vibius alongside his battle brothers would be stripped of their power armor and weapons and forced to fight Xenos beasts, Dark Eldar witches, and fellow slaves in gladiatorial combat, for the delight and satisfaction of their degenerate enslavers. As each of his battle brothers was slain, Vibius's rage would stir. With their captors' inevitable distraction to other vices, Vibius and the Marines Errant would lead the slaves in an uprising against the Drukhari. Escaping Camorra, Vibius and his men would be honored as the Dark Void Elite with their return to their chapter. Vibius's deed swiftly nominating him to serve their chapter with honor as a member of the Death Watch. Under the tutelage of the Dark Sun's Watch Captain, Bronn, Vibius would ascend to command his own kill team. With the Slaw overseer of the Black Reef mortally wounding Captain Bronn during their engagement, Bronn would further endorse Kael Vibius to replace his role as Watch Captain with his death. Maintaining his honored rank since, Vibius has served the Death Watch as a relentless and exacting commander. Rumored to use his chapter's ties to the rogue trader House of Akail for intelligence, supplies, and other secret dealings, Vibius has on several occasions been observed conferring aboard the rogue trader's vessels. Soon after such dealings, Vibius's kill team operations have garnered exceptional victories and achievements in battle. The bane of the stigmatous chaos cults of the Reach, Vibius leads his men with seemingly reckless abandon, bloodlust, and ferocity, with many believing his drive to eradicate the cultists merely a means to hasten his pursuit and purging of the Drukhari. His methods, while scrutinized by his peers, nonetheless exceptionally effective in purging the heretics and Xenos of the galaxy.